Decking Installation. Step 1. Apply anti-corrosion paint. Brush anti-corrosion paint on the joist. Suggest using black paint. Step 2. Measure the distance between joists. Residential maximum 14.17 inches, 360 millimeters. Commercial maximum 11.81 inches, 300 millimeters. Appropriate spacing between joists is 13.77 to 15.74 inches, 350 to 400 millimeters. Step 3. Regarding decking, cut the required length of boards according to the customer's courtyard environment needs. The accessories from left to right are starter clip, deck clip, SS clip screw, fascia screw, fixing clip. The tools from left to right are horizontal ruler, pistol drill, tape measure, carpenter's ruler, socket, and cutting machine. Installation decking. Step 4. Mark 1.18 inches, 30 millimeters away from the edge. It is recommended to design positioning according to customer drawings. Step 5. Tighten the screws to determine the position. Step 6. Pull the wire to ensure that the buckle screws are on the same line. Step 7. Fix the starter buckle along the line. The screw is attached to the thread and kept on the outermost side of the clip hole. Step 8. Install SS clip screws and starter clips. Step 9. Install the decking. Step 10. Ensure that the decking clicks into the clip. Step 11. Place protons at the seams. Place proton details. Accessories are deck clips and fascia screw. Step 12. Fix deck clips on each joist and use 2 clips on staggered gap. Step 13. Use a rubber hammer to assist with installation. Step 14. As before, deck clips on each joist. It is recommended to change to sequentially fix the decking. Step 15. Finally, fix the plum blossom fascia screws. Fix the tailboard and use the inner plum blossom fascia screws to install and fix from the decking surface. Step 16. Fix the edge banding.